Learn how to add a timer to Google Slides. Method 1. Embedding a YouTube countdown timer in Google Slides. Open an existing presentation or create a new one. Once your presentation is open, select the slide where you want the timer to appear. This is usually the slide where you want your audience to focus on the countdown. Next, go to the top menu, click on Insert, and then choose Video. Inside this window, you can search directly on YouTube for a countdown timer. For example, you can search for something like 5-minute timer. Once you find a timer video you like, simply click on it. Now you can adjust the timer to fit your slide layout. Just drag the corners of the video to resize it and move it anywhere on the slide. If you want more precise control, right-click the video, select Format Options, and adjust the settings under Size and Rotation. You can also mute the audio or define specific start and end times if needed. And that's how you can easily add a countdown timer using a YouTube video. Method 2. Using the Slides Timer extension. To get started, open any browser and search for the Slides Timer Chrome extension. Open the extension page and click Add. When the confirmation appears, select Add Extension. Open your Google Slides presentation again and go to the slide where you want to add the timer. Now insert a text box, or simply use an existing one on the slide. To create a countdown timer, type the format <05:00 greater than. This will create a 5-minute countdown timer. When you start the slideshow presentation, the timer will automatically start running, and that's how you can add a timer to Google Slides using 2 simple methods. Create presentations in seconds with AI. Turn your ideas, notes, or documents into professional slides instantly. Available for Google Slides and PowerPoint.